Hey, it's Nika from Fabulously Creative, and let's jump into a micro memory planning process. This layout is from New Year's, and this is kind of what started this whole micro memory planning. I've done a few layouts, but I've only shared maybe one on my channel so far. But New Year's is what started this little project, because we took some pictures for New Year's, but they weren't pictures that were good enough to, do like a whole spread or start a whole Project Life book or even do like a full scrapbook spread. Some of the pictures are at night. One of them is a selfie, so it's not the best pictures, but they are moments that I wanted to document. So I figured my little micro planner would be the perfect spot because it's tiny. I could document one moment at a time. So I went ahead and wrote out the word happy. And yes, I know I probably have a million stickers with happy or little die cuts with happy on it in my stash, but I didn't pull out that many supplies for this project. Like, I pulled out a few embellishments, but I didn't, do a whole dig through of my stash because I wanted to, keep it kind of simple. And also, I was kind of rusty with this project. I was just getting back into some sort of memory keeping or memory planning after my whole December daily fail. So I wrote out Happy New Year. The New Year just didn't come out as good. So I'm going to spell out New Year with some teeny tiny alpha stickers. And I'm just trying to figure out how I'm going to put everything on here. And like I said, I was a bit rusty. This is kind of like my first little project into memory keeping. So I decided to go ahead and punch it first with my happy punch, because I don't want to glue things down and then get to the end and figure out I punched through one of those little letters. So this way I can, kind of get everything in the right spot from the beginning. And here I am just going overboard with the glue, because this is a bit different. Like with Project Life, I'm used to, if you don't have enough glue, it's going in the pocket. And even if something falls off, it'll be at the bottom of the pocket. You can always, reattach it later or whenever you get a chance. But with this, it won't be any pocket, to put this in. So I'm just making sure that I have enough glue. And I'm using my favorite, that is the Scotch glue. I find that it's Scotch tacky glue, and I find that at Walmart. So I went ahead and spelled out New Year, and I couldn't get the letters straight, so I just, put them crooked on purpose, kind of like my little wonky line. And that just says Happy New Year. And this layout will not have any journaling because, I don't know, it's kind of self-explanatory. We went outside, popped some fireworks for New Year's. One of them is me holding a sprinkle. What is that? What do you call those things? I call them sprinklers. Anyway, I can't think of the word for them. Those little, kind of like the firecrackers you hold in your hands. Sparklers. Okay, I don't even think that's the word. I'm gonna stop while I'm ahead. But I am just outlining New Year. Oh, and I was saying this project, this layout doesn't really need any journaling. I won't be doing it. It was kind of self-explanatory. It was New Year's. We did some fireworks. I think my brother and his family came over. We cooked, nothing too major. I just wanted to make sure I had these pictures documented because it's, starting the new year off, and we actually had a picture together. And yes, I'm being indecisive, trying to figure out where I can put the edge of that little flag. I think I put one at the bottom and one at the top. Oh, maybe I didn't put the one at the top. Figured it was overkill. All right, and here comes the part where I don't know. I guess I was a bit rusty. I was attempting to make a little flip up with my 3 pictures. I don't know, I just had a hard time getting it right. But first I cut up this little I cut up a card just to put as a base, and then I'm going to put the 3 pictures on top like a little waterfall. I don't know, but I just had trouble with the washi. Then the washi didn't stick. You'll see in a second. I don't know. I just had issues, and I figured it was just because I was, I guess, kind of rusty, and I wasn't used to doing, you know, the whole project life. All right, so it took me a minute to get my pictures mounted and to get everything in place. So I struggled a bit with that washi. I don't know, I think the washi lost its stickiness, so I had to go back and put glue tape on the bottom of each piece of washi, but I finally got it in there. And I am enjoying this project. Like I have a few layouts coming. I guess I will be doing these weekly since this is kind of my form of memory keeping right now. I probably will be adding another one, but I won't be going back to like the full Project Life album anytime soon. So I will be doing these layouts, and I may do another one like in my larger planner. So let me know like if anyone else is doing memory keeping or having trouble getting back into memory keeping. Let me know if you have tried this. I would love to see your layouts. I'll leave the link in the description box to I have a private Facebook group if you want to share your projects there. I know a lot of people don't like to share their pictures online. So if you'd like to share pictures of your project, check out that link in the description box, and I will have more process videos coming up. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any new videos.